The mechanical efficiency. Interactive calculator determines how effectively a mechanical system converts input power to useful output power. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate efficiency from power, calculate efficiency from work, calculate output power, calculate input power, calculate power loss, and calculate output work. For this demonstration, I'll select calculate efficiency from power. Next, we enter input power in watts, output power in watts, input work in joules, output work in joules, efficiency as a percentage ranging from 0 to 100, and power loss in watts. For our example, I'll enter 10 watts for input power and 10 watts for output power. After clicking calculate, we get our results. The mechanical efficiency shows 100%, which means all input power is successfully converted to output power. The power loss displays 0 watts, confirming no energy is wasted in this ideal scenario. The system status reads excellent efficiency, minimal losses, indicating this represents a theoretically perfect mechanical system with no friction or other losses. This tool helps engineers quickly evaluate mechanical system performance. Find the link in the description below. The tool is designed for precision and ease of use in any professional engineering environment. Get started today.